Color Coral Cleaning Gel was originally designed for keyboard cleaning. Help to remove the dust, dirt, debris between the keys. Picks up dust and dirt from computer keyboards, cars, mobile phones, and printers. Reusable, can be used many times until the cleaning compound. So let's get started and enjoy this video. Number 1. Betty Car Cleaning Gel. This dust cleaning gel can be used repeatedly until its color turns dark or sticky hands. Then you have to replace another new bottle cleaning gel. Each bottle weighs 200 grams. Total 600 grams is enough for your long-term use. Include 3-pack and individually sealed cans packaging. After use, put it back in the jar for storage. The car cleaning gel are lightweight for easy portability and storage. Make sure your hands dry and clean before use. Take part of the keyboard cleaning gel, then knead it into a ball. Press the cleaning gel slowly into the keyboard, car vent, and other rugged surfaces. Roll or press slightly for about 3 to 5 seconds, then pull it up slowly. The dust would be carried away quickly and efficiently. Betty Car Cleaning Gel comes with 3-pack different color, purple, orange, blue, which is perfect for cleaning keyboard, car interior, official and household items, such as the computer or laptop keyboard, car air vent, dashboard, camera, printer, air conditioner, TV, air conditioner. Number 2. Cleaning Gel for Car. Cleaning gel is designed to clean car air vents, steering wheels, console panel, storage bins, cup holder, door handles, dashboards and other hard-to-reach spaces. This keyboard cleaner is made of cleaning gel, smells sweet with lightly fragrance. The car cleaning kit can easily pick up dust. Push car cleaning gel into any little cracks, press car vent cleaner on and the dust would be carried away. You can also press the keyboard cleaner slightly on the keyboard surface and then pull out slowly. The dust would be carried away with the cleaning gel. This auto car detailing cleaning gel can be used for multiple times until the gel turns to black. Number 3. TICARVE Cleaning Gel. 2-pack car cleaning gel is perfect for cleaning the nooks and crannies in your auto. Car putty is super great to get into the gaps and little crevices on the car. Car gel is ideal for cleaning gaps and cavities. Gel for cleaning could be used for several times till the color of the auto gel turned to dark. Push car detail slime into little cracks and the crud sticks and pulls back out. You can also press the detail putty on the keyboard surface and then pull it out slowly. The dust would be carried away. Dust cleaning gel is also useful for home and office, PC keyboard clean and other rugged surface cleaning such as printer, cell phone, calculator, TV remote, computer and furniture.